Papa G, you're allergic to passion fruit. Papa G said him no know about that.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
It's a little passion fruits. Oh, this is a big one. You ready? What's in it doing?
Yeah, I got to carry this straight through and then... Okay. We're trying to make a trellis.
Trying to make a trellis?
For this passion fruit bag.
Or I leave the mic, you know. So.
Push further, Papa G. Push the button. Push the button. You can't catch it? Yeah, man. I can't right through.
It's heavy, man. It's big and heavy.
Push.
So you're pushing the bamboo underneath. You're gonna rest it on this?
Yeah. If we can work.
Oh, you're gonna rest it on that one over there and this one?
To go first.
So they put up these sticks.
No, man, that's all.
And then you're gonna lift it up?
How will you put it? Okay. We can see if we can lift it up.
But you have to be careful with those plantains right there.
Yeah. No, man, let me see the plantains.
Be careful. Share the knife, lift it. Whoa, it break.
What break?
Why not break?
Outside this post, you should have this here. Outside the post?
Yeah.
Sure.
Pull it, push it your way and come back, Daddy.
Wait.
Him hand.
Go.
Push it up more.
Push it through this? No, come up high top. Okay. Oh, mercy. Well, some of it is on it. Push it back to me. Stick, some of my bamboo. You need more? No, that's good. We did want to let it go.
So what are you gonna do?
We'll transplant.
Put it over it.
Direct it.
Oh, but it tangle up in that planting there. So. Planting is not the problem?
What we should do, push it through the vine there.
Oh, so it kind of bring it up.
But here, just put it outside.
But then you push it.
But you want it to be what?
He wanted it to be intertwined in the vines. You want to do it again?
I forgot to do it again. And do it hard, but take a lick. Lift it up and take some. Alright.
He's gonna pull it to him now. He's gonna pull it to him. So you wanna like kind of weave it in through the vine, so that when you put it up. What you say, Sharon?
Not easier said than done. It's easy.
Papa G say it's easy. Sharon say easier said than done. No, Papa G, I think you need to come back out. If you're gonna push it through, you can't put it in the same place. Push it in the vine now. Push it inside. Yes. Yes. So it's gonna be heavier to do now.
No, I don't want to go up in a nigger that's in the car. You see that now? You good I can't pull over yourself.
You want to have a little leverage.
Come down, yes. Push it. You seen it?
So he's weaving it. Yeah, man, he's seeing it.
Wait, don't stop there now. Push it. Alright.
Oh, you're kind of weaving it through, taking it out and pushing it in back.
Yeah. Push it a little. Alright.
And you're pushing it in back underneath.
Push it.
And you push that piece up, push. Put that over.
Man, it good.
No man, he's weaving it.
Up now. Push.
Yes.
Oh, that's a still.
This is good, but I need to get it in.
Alright, push back to
Take it
him.
back
Give me some more leg.
Yes. Hold the stick. No, make your stick push. Can I lift it up a little bit, Sean?
You lift it up in there.
And put it through. Yes. That is it. Yeah, and there we have a makeshift trellis. Wow. See, lift it up there for Drew. Nice.
I gotta put more posts in it.
To kind of hold it up, but to hold it, like put in the middle. To hold up the bamboo.
I gotta put one there, sir.
They're gonna put one to the end.
This, sir.
Okay.
And then get some large. Put underneath it.
When you're doing that, you call me.
Hey, you do there?
Maybe I'll be at work, but I can come and video the finished product.
So now you can go underneath it and feed them properly. Where's the dog?
Which dog? He came out here with us?
I saw him.
Simeon shouldn't be out here now.
Don't take it off on here.
I don't think I'll get it.
What are they doing? Oh, they're putting over. Another piece. Oh, you're just tying that little vine there so you can literally go under the passion. Papa G, you're allergic to passion fruit. Papa G said I don't know about that. No, you did get tomato poison from passion fruit.
Maybe it wasn't passion.
That's a long time.
I think he threw it out because I had it after that.
This is planting. All of these are planting, Papa G. So this is the back end of the property here. See me, what you doing around here, so? He knows that I'm talking to him, I guess. Planting. Oh, this is the moringa. Hey, boy. Come. What's up? Sit for me. Sit. Sit. Simeon, sit. Sit. I'm rude. Samson will listen to me more about this one. This is what he loves. Sit. Simeon, sit. Merciful Father. Embarrassing boy. This is the moringa. And that is the mulberry. That is the mulberry. See the berries coming up? See the berries coming up there? Which one? Simeon is in on the fun. These are bearing. Which one? Where's Sharon? Simeon, this is not a regular thing. He's so rude. He doesn't listen. Come. I'm thinking you're going to hit him. Because you're taking up sticks. Oh, watch the gungo. Watch the gungo. Oh, this one is bearing for real. We've eaten from them that eat from this one already. I feel like the men used to eat from this one. Is which one they used to eat from? See some berries coming up there. And this is easy to plant. You just get a piece and you stick it. And that's it. That's it with the mulberry. You just get a piece and you stick it. Very easy to plant. You see how Papa G rolls them nice and neat, guys? Farmer himself.